If you're on Social Security disability, you typically have to wait 24 months before you are automatically enrolled into Medicare. So you get that red, white, and blue card, you're on Medicare, and you're like, this is fantastic. I want to get a Medicare Supplement Plan G because she always says that's the Cadillac plan. Well, unfortunately, in most states, state law prohibits you from getting the Medicare Supplement Plan G. In most states, all you can get would be a Medicare Advantage plan, which, like I said, that's better than just having government Medicare A and B. So for most people, when you call in to ask for help, we're going to recommend a Medicare Advantage plan. Not because that's where we want you to be, because that's your only option in your state. Now, when you do turn 65, you'll be eligible like everybody else that's turning 65, even though you're disabled, even though you're unhealthy, even though you might have been on Medicare for many years. You get a fresh start to go into Medicare at 65 like everybody else that's just turning 65, meaning you can get any Medicare supplement plan from any company, regardless of your health, at the same rate as the healthy people. So you got to store that away for later because people on disability tend to forget and they miss that window, and there's no going back on that. So make a note, if you're on disability, call us 3 months before you turn 65, and call us 3 months before you'll get your Medicare card if you're still waiting for your Medicare to start after your 24-month wait. Go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. There is a little yellow box where you can book your own appointment. We're licensed in all 50 states. We are versed in the different state law of all the different states. Our services are free, and we'd love to help.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.